today we're at Ravens Park Golf Course down in Irvine, and we're going to see if this club right here can help me get up and down more. My name's Shaun, this is Grilling and Golfing, and today we're going to look at the Mazel chipper. I got this in 45 degrees, which is similar to my pitching wedge, and I'm hoping it's going to help me get up and down a bit more with my chips around the green. Quite a nice weight to it. Comes with a standard mid-size grip, and as a high handicap golfer, I'm sure this is going to help me shave a couple of strokes off my round. Let's get out there and have a look and how I get on with it. Just in front of the camera. Nice fluffy lie that one. Good result. There we go. Please remember, stand tall and follow through. Good. Stand tall, follow through. Not bad. Right, same again. Oh, thinned that a little bit. Not a bad result. Take that. Well, 3 out of 4 good connections. So, let's see where they ended up. This was the pin we were aiming for. Three decent results. And then one just at the far side. Managed to put the ball about 7 foot just away from the pin, 2-putted for 5, more than happy with that. Didn't quite get a chance to film it because there was a group just on the tee behind me, but hopefully I'll get you on the next one. Right folks, 40 yards away, let's see how we got on here. Going to aim right side and let it run down the hill. Thinned that a bit, so we keep running. It's like dance floor. Take that every day of the week. So about 10 paces away. Let's see if we can get this close. There we go folks, a wee 6 for us there, happy with a start of a 5 and a 6. Should be a perfect 11 wood, nice and easy. It's just the left side of the green, might turn back in a little touch for the wind. Nice and easy. Pulled it left. Might even be a wee bit long there. Right, let's give this chipper another chance. Had a nice 11 wood, a wee bit long, just off the green, but perfect opportunity to use this. Let's try and follow through, remember. Putt and stroke, follow through. Sounded good. Still need to get the hang of this weight. Putt for par. I wish. keep under hitting it here. You can give it a chance there. Ah well, we tap in 5. Right, another opportunity with the chipper. A bit of confidence this time, Shaun. Come on, just slip up, follow through. Top dip, wee bit of fin, back fringe. Yeah, so considering I thinned it, I'm just at the back fringe, which to me, not really that fussed about, because this will be my 4th shot. If I can get this close with the Texas wedge, just need to slightly downhill. Oh, is that running away? I think there'll be some putting practice next. Greens are a lot faster than down at Auchenhardy. There we go. I suppose it's technically a 2 putt since I was off the green with my first. As I've just teed off the 18th, what's my thoughts on the Mazel chipper? Well, being a high handicap golfer, I can see the benefits for me. I don't think it's a miracle club. I don't think it's going to make me suddenly a great chipper, but I think with practice it can save me some shots. I just need to get a wee bit more confidence to kind of putt through the ball rather than try and use it like a wedge. I do think maybe further down the line I might actually put a putter grip on it. I think in my head I'm treating it more like a wedge, more like a kind of a short, like a 9-iron, trying to kind of chip like that way, and I need to focus more on the kind of putting stroke of it. All in all, when I connect well with it, I do like to kind of pop off the face, but all too often I'm thinning it. Is it going to stay in the bag? Yeah, I think I'm going to keep it in the bag. I have a slot for it. I think with more practice it will benefit me in the long run. It's only £40 from Amazon. There are more expensive ones that you can get, but I like the weight, I like the shape of it, and I think it gives me confidence when I'm addressing the ball. All in all, yeah, I would recommend it to a high handicap golfer, but don't expect miracles from it. Take care, folks.